2019 Dodge Charger GT V6, and of course my favorite color. It's got stock converters there and there. Then it's got a factory X pipe. Then another shop did a mid resonator delete or mid muffler, whatever you guys want to call it. And we did something special on it. We did Dynomax race bullets, mini bullets, part number 24249 on each side, and then 5-inch tips with a 3-inch out inlet right there and right there. Tell me that doesn't look good. It's massive. And I love the license plate. That's awesome. If you guys don't know what this is gonna sound like, it's gonna sound phenomenal. There it is. There's the Dynomax bullets, and then we did the tips after them. Right there and right there. And there. 2017 Dodge Charger V6. What we got done on for it, guys. Got factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single there. And we put a vibrant bottle resonator instead of the muffler that goes right there. Sorry guys, I have to pause for a second. There'll be the 12-inch, there'll be a link in the, I think it's 1794 is the part number on it. There'll be a link in the description. And then what we did is rear muffler delete there and there, rear resonator delete. Everybody calls them different. There it is right there. You guys can see. There's the muffler that was in the center. There's the 2 resonators that were in the back. Before, after. Like always guys, if you like it, make sure you subscribe. Much better. Let you guys hear sound decibels. Go ahead. 111. Wow, again? I think these are my new favorite Dynomax bullets. They're the minis. They sound really good. And there's the 2 rear mufflers we cut off. One more. Let you guys hear on that. It's the SXT V6. See how the vibrant takes all the raspiness away. So it sounds really nice. Not bad. I like it. Again. You guys underestimate the V6s. They're not bad. Here's the sound decibels. Again. 105. Go ahead and back it up. This sounds really nice. I like it. Again. That vibrant gives it a really nice deep tone. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. you guys like it. Enjoy it.